Hi, everybody. Let's go ahead and jump right into Excel. So, what you're seeing here is the wedding budget that Georgia has been tracking for Emily and Brad's wedding this upcoming weekend. And what I'm going to show you today is a perfect example of real life when it comes to weddings. Oftentimes, plans can change and they can change very, very quickly. So, today we're facing two last minute updates to the wedding budget. The venue is going to change, and then we're also going to have a guest count change. So first, for the venue, the good news is that this new venue is cheaper, which is always a win in my book. So to make my changes, I'm going to let Copilot, which is right over here in the bottom right-hand corner, I'm going to let it make the edits for me directly in the workbook. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And I'm going to make sure that I have Allow Editing turned on. And then I'm going to put in my prompt here. So I'm asking Copilot to do quite a few things in one go. I'm asking it to update the venue name, update the cost, update the notes, and then also refresh the budget summary at the bottom of the spreadsheet down here. Let me show you so that we're able to see the overall impact on our total wedding cost. So we'll go ahead and let me show you what my prompt is. We changed venues last minute to Lone Sky Ranch. Update any venue references to Lone Sky Ranch instead of Meadow Moon Barn. Update the venue rental line item so the actual and paid amounts reflect the new venue cost of $3,600. We also received a refund from the original venue, and we've paid fully for the new venue. Then also refresh the color and the status of the status column, which is right over here, to reflect the change. Refresh the summary totals at the bottom so that we're able to see the new over and under amounts. So I'm going to go ahead and get that started by submitting. And so what I really love here is that I'm not having to submit several different asks to get the outcome that I'm wanting. I'm able to ask Copilot to accomplish multiple steps for me within one prompt. And then another thing, while this is working, something else that I wanted to point out is that Microsoft does have Copilot built with security and privacy as our top priority, so you can trust that your data is always staying under your control. And we're able to see here that Copilot is loading, and it is doing all the busy work for us. It's currently finding the right rows, it's getting our numbers updated, and it's going to keep everything consistent so that we're not having to chase any dependent totals. So while that's loading, let me point out what's going to change is that our venue name will swap over to Lone Sky Ranch. Our status should update to showing that we are now under budget because our actual amount that we're having to pay will no longer be $4,500. It's going to be $3,600. And so we're saving some money there. And then at the bottom of our spreadsheet, we should be seeing that we're going to be saving some extra money, which is super exciting. Okay, and perfect. We can see that we did have our updates made here. Let's sanity check our math. Our venue was $900 cheaper, and so we actually are coming in under budget, which is super exciting. And then at the top here, we can see the line item change as well, where our venue changed to Lone Sky Ranch, our actuals and our paid amounts updated. And then also over here, we're able to see our statuses change like we told Copilot that it did to show that we are under budget and we're good to go. So now I want to show a second curveball as well. We just found out that 5 out of our 133 adult guests are no longer able to make it to the wedding anymore. And this is a big deal. This isn't just some seating chart update. It truly affects what we're paying for anything that's tied to headcount. So things like our catering and our desserts. So again, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to use Copilot so that I'm not missing anything because the number 133 shows up in several different spots. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put in my prompt. And what I'm saying to Copilot is that 5 adult guests are no longer attending. Update the guest count from 133 for adults to 128 and adjust the cost for the guest meal catering service and the ice cream station to reflect that 5 guest reduction. Make sure that any remaining payments and status changes are accurately reflected. The cost per serving is equal per guest for both catering and ice cream. If I overpaid anywhere and I'm now owed a refund, make sure to reflect that in the status column. So we'll go ahead and get that started. So this is the kind of edit that can be really easy to mess up manually, especially because the same number is appearing across multiple rows, notes, and in different calculations. But Copilot makes this super easy and is going to help us keep everything consistent. So you can see here we have 133 servings for our ice cream station that we need to update. We have 133 adult guest meals. The kids are sadly not included in this one, but we're going to go ahead and update those numbers. There we go. Super exciting over here as well. Our guest count has changed to 128. Okay. And we're now able to see that Copilot did make these updates for us. They adjusted the catering and the ice cream station costs. And the best part is that our couple now owes just a little bit less on their final catering bill. And they're actually going to receive a small $10 refund. So there you have it. We have handled 2 last-minute changes in a matter of minutes. We updated our venue cost, and then we also adjusted our guest count changes. And Excel recalculated everything automatically, so we are able to see very quickly where we stand before the big day.
Thank you so much, Avery, for making that very easy to follow. Anyone who's ever had to plan an event, a wedding, what have you, knows how important it is to get that cost as accurate as possible, even $10. And whether you're working in a spreadsheet as complicated or simple as this, you have highlighted how easy it is to miss a spot when you're updating a number, and Copilot was able to QA that for you. It really does make me feel like I can do more in Excel, which has always been very manual and very intimidating in the past.